website development gets easier and you start to produce better quality work, whether it be content writing, banner creation, or just the style, the setup of the website platform you are putting together, foundation that you are putting together. In this example, storebuy.shop, you see the footer? It's the baby blue. And you see, this is the way it's been for a while. I have some content here, which I updated. I'll show you in a moment. All these icons to the social media, I changed that around. I added more content. I made it more appealing, better appealing visually. And this is part of website development, website growth. Here's the new work. I updated the content. I worded it better. You see the social media? I added those links like that for now in the footer. And it just looks, it's more appealing visually. And that's the goal. I'm only going to get better, and so will you, if you don't give up. People who succeed are not always the best in their industry, but they're usually the ones that never give up. They just keep at it until they get good at it, if they have enough passion for it, and I do. Now I'm going to scroll up to the top of this homepage. You see, I kept these here for now because it fits there. It's pretty. My little banner, it's cute. Storebuy.shop. I created that with freebie stuff. And I did that a couple of years ago. I still like it. It still works. The content, very important. I have this up here, right on top. And Google places the ads here. Sometimes it's after the 2 paragraphs. Sometimes it's in between. Sometimes it's after. But I'm going to show you how I updated that content to word it better. Because you're only going to get better. I'm in another browser, Safari, and this was the old content. As you can see, a lot of boo-boos. It was pretty bad. I even corrected myself before the Grammarly kicked in to tell me, well, you're missing a hyphen. That should be an A, not an an. You just get better. And you see there's a couple of suggestions here. That's what that yellow line means. Or maybe, okay. I'm going to show you, I used a freebie version. For now, I'm going to use a paid plan, but not yet. I'm going to remove this. Just to show you. Great job. You see right over here, great job. No mistakes in this content. Storebuy.shop is a lead generating affiliate website. Various merchants get advertised on this site, and if you click on a merchant's ad or make a purchase from a link, this can result in the site earning a commission or payment. Those are my words. I just use the freebie Grammarly to help me word it better. Storebuy.shop does not collect or store any visitor's personal information. Clicking on an ad or link to visit a merchant, Storebuy.shop holds no responsibility if the merchant collects, uses, or discloses personal information. All I am is a lead generating website. That's all this is. I don't want the responsibility of gathering people's personal information. I'm not in the business of selling my own products from this website. I'm a lead generator. That's what I do. And I want no, okay, I don't want anyone to accuse me of spamming them in emails. I don't even run an email list. Not necessary. My goal is to build this website, continue its growth, write amazing content, create some great banners. My last post here is liver cleanse, detox, impurities. I'm promoting a couple of products that I actually use, and I'm writing about it, and I'm an affiliate to their products. I want these URLs because every time I create a post, I'm going to click on read more. It creates a new URL. Eventually, over the course of a couple of months, these URLs that I'm creating, it usually takes a couple of months. The process is long. Get indexed into the search engines. Don't be in a rush. Where are you going? This is my future business. I worked really hard on this, and what's so great about this, if I have to walk away from my business I have to be there for family, I have an emergency, I can't work online for a while, whether it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, my business is still working for me. I don't have to worry about any email list. I don't have to worry about answering any emails about people questioning if I'm gathering their personal information, storing their personal information. I want nothing to do with it. Let the big wigs that I promote their products worry about that. I'm just a website developer, and it works, and I show ads, and I sell products, and eventually I will be showing in-text advertising throughout all my website's content. I hope you found this interesting. I'm going to go scroll down. Isn't that a beautiful footer? That is so much better than what I had before. That's the before. Oop, the ad showed. That's the after. Don't forget to like if you appreciate the information I share to help you grow your own business. And subscribe, give a follow. Stay tuned for future videos.